What's the worst thing that can happen during a workout? Your earbuds die. They fall out. Or worse, they can't handle your sweat. Well, not these 5 beasts. We ran, lifted, and even swam with 20+ sport earbuds, only 5 survived summer 2025. Which one stayed in during deadlifts? Which one sounded like a concert? The results? You won't believe number 2. All purchase links? Check the description, let's go! Number 1. Beats Powerbeats Pro. Powerbeats Pro 2 is the most advanced headphone we've ever made, with secure fit earhooks that stay locked in as you train. With over 1,500 hours of athlete testing to help ensure a secure, comfortable fit for any ear shape and intensity level. For absolute workout focus, we added the best performing active noise cancelling, ANC, we've ever developed, plus transparency mode to let you hear the world around you, ensuring the best listening experience wherever you train. Heart rate monitoring sensors pulse over 100 times per second to measure your pulse in real time. And Powerbeats Pro 2 is sweat and water resistant with an IPX4 rating, so they're tough enough to handle training in rain, snow, and heat. Powered by the Apple H2 chip for extraordinary efficiency, Powerbeats Pro 2 delivers up to 45 hours of battery life with the charging case. The case is 33% smaller than its predecessor and is our first ever to feature wireless Qi charging. Compatible with Apple, one-touch pairing, automatic switching, audio sharing, hands-free Siri, Find My, and Android, the Beats app unlocks one-touch pairing, heart rate monitoring, customizable controls, battery status widgets, and Locate My Beats. Adaptive EQ uses advanced microphones to measure what you're hearing, then adjusts the frequencies of your music to you. Personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking delivers immersive sound, with clear highs, rich mid-range tones and powerful bass. Number 2. Bowers Wilkins Pi8. Bowers Wilkins Pi8 wireless Bluetooth earbuds feature a true 24-bit connection with Qualcomm chipset and aptX lossless for high-res audio that adjusts dynamically for optimal performance and reliable connection. Distortion-free audio with 12mm carbon cone drive units adapted from our flagship PX8 headphones, the Pi8 earbuds reduce distortion and improve high-frequency detail. Enjoy lifelike clarity and precision sound, closer to the original recording. Advanced noise-canceling earbuds. These true wireless earbuds with bespoke active noise cancellation and true wireless mirroring are equipped with 3 call clarity enhancing mics and adjust to the level of cancellation according to the environment. Multiple device pairing. These Bluetooth earphones support pairing to 2 devices simultaneously, allowing transitions between your phone, laptop, and other devices. It ensures that your music, movies, and conversations follow you wherever you go. Ergonomic design with single-button control. With intuitive single-button control, these Bluetooth earbuds support multiple functions. The design combines premium materials and ergonomic form factor, ensuring comfort and a secure fit for extended use. Direct music streaming. With the iOS/Android compatible Bowers Wilkins Music app, you can stream music from Tidal, Pandora, Qobuz, Deezer, SoundCloud, and more. Just search for your favorite song, artist, or album, and find all available options. Number 3. SHOKZ New OpenFit 2. The SHOKZ Dual Boost composite drivers and Open Bass 2.0 algorithm pair crystal clear mids and highs with a deeper, richer bass for an exceptionally detailed sound. Comfortable all day. Wear these Featherlight 9.4G earhooks integrate a NIT alloy that contours to your ears for a personalized fit. IP55 rated water resistance ensures performance in any conditions. Open ear awareness. Stay connected to your surroundings with SHOKZ open ear design, and to your phone calls with dual noise cancelling mics. Keep your sound private with custom direct pitch 2.0 technology. Longer battery life. Enjoy up to 11 hours on a single charge, 48 hours with the charging case, and a quick 10-minute charge for the extra 2 hours of listening to move you through your workout. Multifunction buttons. Adjust volume, skip tracks, take calls, and switch between 2 paired devices with a press of the physical buttons. Customize these controls, your EQ modes, and more with the SHOKZ app. Number 4. Bose Ultra Open. Hear all of what's around you while enjoying rich, private sound. The wireless earbuds open-ear design says, I can still hear you while open audio technology provides you with high-quality, private sound. Be in the music, anywhere everywhere, with Bose immersive audio spatialized sound. These Bluetooth earbuds feel, look good, and bring you closer to your music, so you're not only listening, you're in it. Feels good, stays put. The Bose Ultra Open earbuds feature a flexible joint and a light as air grip. Simply hook it gently around the back of your ear and you'll stay open to the world around you with these comfortable earbuds. Water resistance with IPX4, get splashed on, dripped on, sprayed on. No worries here. The Bose Ultra Open earbuds can handle it. Acoustic mesh keeps out moisture and debris, so you can keep on listening. Number 5. H2O Audio TRI. We took all of your feedback on our original Tri series and designed the Tri 2 with you in mind, featuring intuitive redesigned controls and a soft silicone finish for maximum comfort and control during any activity. The included hardshell protective case protects against knocks, impacts, bumps, drops, impacts and crushes and is equipped with an internal mesh pocket to keep your USB cable and accessories organized. Revolutionary dual-mode performance. Our most advanced bone conduction technology delivers vibrant, crystal-clear audio when switching between environments. Use Bluetooth 5.3 for streaming music, podcasts, or taking calls during any land activities. For underwater adventures, switch to MP3 mode to enjoy uninterrupted playback from the built-in 8 GB memory, providing clear audio up to 12 feet underwater. Playlist Plus customization, record and play back any live-streamed audio from any app. Playlist Plus technology makes an exact copy of the live-streamed audio you hear, which you can play back anytime, even underwater. So, which earbuds are you grabbing for your next workout? Drop a comment, we'll shout out the best answers. Want more brutal tests? Smash that like button, share with your gym squad, and subscribe for more. All earbuds featured? Grab them below in the description. Until next time, stay fit, stay loud, and keep pushing.